If you're new to WordPress, you're probably still learning how the content editor works and choosing the right plugins for your site. However, there's another essential side to WordPress, which is securing your site. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest method that you can use to secure your WordPress websites in 2022. This is Elliot with Verpex, and let's get straight into it. Now let me start off by going over why you might want to secure your WordPress website, and that is namely to stop it from being hacked. Now it is very unlikely that hackers will target your WordPress website specifically, but they do use bots to try and hack hundreds of different WordPress websites at once. Now at Verpex, we use secure servers and monitor all of the websites on our hosting plans. So I will leave a link in the description to our hosting plans if you're looking for super fast hosting with 24/7 support. But even though we monitor all of our websites and use secure servers, it is always good to have a layer of security that is specific to a WordPress website. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this using a simple plugin. Now the plugin that I'm going to be showing you how to set up to secure your WordPress website is called Shield Security. So all you need to do is head to your WordPress dashboard, and from here we are going to go to plugins and we are going to click on add new. Now from here we are going to click on search plugins and we're going to type in Shield Security, and then you will see this Shield Security plugin with this green shield, and we are going to click on install now. Once the plugin has finished installing, we will hit activate. Once you hit activate, you will be brought over to the Shield Security setup wizard. So from here we are going to click on start. So the first thing that you can do is add your IP address to your WordPress website. And basically what this does is it whitelists your IP address. So anytime somebody wants to log into your WordPress website, they have to do it from your IP address for your computer or laptop. Now this is a really great way to secure your WordPress website. However, if you do have multiple different users that are logging in from around the world, or staff members, or even developers working on your website, then this might not necessarily be the best security method for you. Now, if you can't find your IP address, you can do a simple Google search of what is my IP address, and then you can copy your IP address, paste it in here, and then click on confirm my IP address. It will then say success. So now we can click on go to next step. The next step will prompt us to set up this brute force login protection. So you're just going to click on turn on, and then we can click on set login protection. And now it will say login guard has been enabled. And this just stops people from trying to continuously guess the password for your WordPress website. So once you have done this, you can click on go to next step. The next step will prompt us to block 100% comment spam by bots. So if you have a WordPress website, it's very likely that you have a blog where people can leave comments, or if you have a WooCommerce store, people can leave reviews on your products. So this will prevent bots from leaving spam comments and reviews on your WordPress and WooCommerce websites. So you can click on turn on and then click on set comment spam protection, and then it will say comment spam protection has been enabled. So now we can click on go to next step. Now the next step will prompt you to add a Shield Security badge to the footer of your website. Now personally, I don't think this step is necessary. If you have an SSL certificate for your website, you will have this little padlock in the URL, which is enough indication that your site is secure. So I'm just going to click on turn off on this step and click on set security badge. It will then say security plugin badge has been disabled. So now we can click on go to next step. Now the final steps of the setup wizard are simply asking you to upgrade to the pro version of Shield Security. Now I really don't think this is 100% necessary. The free version should suffice in securing your website in the beginning. So what we can do now is click on exit wizard, and we have a few other things that we can set up. So once you click on exit wizard, you will be brought to the Shield Security overview dashboard, and there are a few other settings that we can set up. So firstly, we're going to click on config on the left hand side, and we are going to click on lockdown. Now from here, we are going to click on permissions, and we are firstly going to tick this box that says disable file editing. And this basically just stops anyone from editing any of the files on your WordPress website or any of the code. And you're not really going to need to do this yourself, because if you want to change the look and feel of your WordPress website, you can use page builders to do this. And if you want to add extra functionality to your WordPress website, you can use plugins. So unless you have a specific developer that needs to edit any of the files or code on your site, then you can disable this. And like like I say, this prevents anyone from editing any of the files. The next thing we are going to do is force SSL admin, and like I mentioned earlier, this will force the little padlock in the URL to indicate that your site is secure. So once we have ticked these, we can click on Save Settings. Once we have done that, the next thing we can do is click on Config again and go to Login Protection. Now from here, we can click on Hide Login, and we can actually hide the login page for our WordPress website. So by default, the login page for your WordPress website will be your domain/wp-admin, and you can actually hide this page so that hackers can't find it and try and log into your WordPress website. So you can enter in a word in here to replace the wp-admin part of the URL. So I've just entered in the word password, but you obviously can use a word that's a little more secure. Just make sure that you save this URL or you bookmark it somewhere so you don't forget what it is when you want to log into your WordPress website. And then what you can do is you can do a WordPress admin redirect. So when somebody tries to go to that page, they are redirected to another page. So you could just go and enter in the home page, for example. If you don't enter anything in here, by default, it will redirect them to a 404 page not found page. So now all we can do is click on Save Settings. Once you have completed those settings with the Shield Security plugin, your WordPress website is now secure. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you have taken value from the video, and check out the links in the description if you're looking for super fast, affordable hosting with 24/7 support. Subscribe to the channel for more WordPress related content. This has been Elliot with Verpex, and I'll see you in the next one.